Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
This is place best options for get a IT job. If you are a fresher, here is a teach knowledge course to get us a join in a networking IT fields. My name is Ashish Kumar. I am from Darbhanga, Bihar. I have done BCA Computer Application from Magadha University in 2020. All the facility and the staff members are very helpful to the students, and for they were always there encourage me for the interview. The teaching staffs are where someone are their teaching methods are really easy and to make you understand in a different difficult topics. I had enrolled in a 6th September for the online internship modules. I am very grateful to all of them for helping me to get a job, and in there the knowledge concepts Evision team has taught me the knowledge and the skills is to not only survive but also there in IT worlds. I am happy say to I got selected in IBM which the salary package 2.8 LPA and the facility in the person huge amount of experience in IT fields, and the teach is manner very easily understand, and the projects given at the end of a course gives the real experience which is similar to the working in IT company. Thank you Evision and their support teams. Thank you.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.